After spending plenty of time in the marina to finish up little jobs on the boat and mostly wait for the paperwork to clear, it was finally the time to set sail towards Greece. With an early morning start, we certainly had the weather on our side, with flat calm seas, unfortunately no wind though. Once around the peninsula of Dacia, we cleared out of the country, unfortunately having to leave Pinar behind because her visa had just expired by 2 days. We got even more lucky on the way back. We finally got to take the boat for its first proper testing.
We've got a perfect storm. We don't care about the second wind or something else to take form. Someone else to keep us warm. Oh, we're learning where to aim.
For all the Mediterranean sailors out there who still think the Med is basically a bathtub, don't try it in wintertime. Wind picked up from nothing to about 50 knots within half an hour.
Just the same, with only ourselves to blame. Oh, we stay together, we sail to the moon. And
Alright, but enough of this. So bottom line is, we made it back to Turkey, we are back in the marina, and all went really well. We got a lot of more faith in the boat now. We know the engine can push us through a 50 knot gale. Unfortunately, we never even managed to have the sails up, because first there was zip and later it was bam. So next time, hopefully. And right now, Pinar is back in Istanbul, I'm back in Austria, but more about that next time. But one thing I can promise, some really exciting news coming up, so stay tuned.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go.
Oh, and of course I forgot again. If you like what you see, please subscribe, please feel free to share, follow us on Instagram and all the other social media channels. And if you know of a project in the Mediterranean ideally that could be in potential need of a boat on a budget, please let us know. We're happy to help. Alright, toodles. Ooh! And if you want to join us, drop us a note. See you next time.
Baby, standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go.